Hello viewers, the governor of Anambra State, Professor Soludo, is currently constructing access road through Enugu-Onitsha Express Road to University on the Niger, which is located here at Umunya. So as you can see, your tax money is working. So this road you are seeing leads to University on the Niger. The road is facing Oma Motors assembly plant, which is also located here at Umunya. So gradually so many investments are coming down here at Umunya. Oma Motors now here, then Oborod, that's a building material, those that we are selling building materials at Head Bridge Onitsha. They've relocated their market here. So a whole lot is happening around Anambra State. So relax and let me take you through this road. So the road you're seeing leads to the university, the new university that is owned by Anglican Mission. So the governor is constructing major access road to the university and also internal roads within the university. So be patient and let me take you through for you all to see the great work the governor of Anambra State, Professor Soludo, is doing here. So when completed, it will open up here. Now is the best time to buy land around here. Like I told you, a whole lot of investments are coming down here. You know, from Onitsha, after Onitsha, which is already built up. Next town is Mpo, which is already built up. Same with Ogidi, Obunike. Then next town is Umunya. So a whole lot is coming down here. There's two universities already here at Umunya. Tansia University is located here in Umunya. Then this is a university on the Niger, also located here. Umunya is not far from Anambra State Airport. So relax and let me take you through for you all to see the great work that is happening around here. So they are still working on the project. You can see the drainage. So this project you are seeing is being handled by Anambra State Road Maintenance Agency. So they are the one constructing this very road. So they are still working on it. They are not done yet. You can see the culvert. So let me take you through for you all to see. If this is your first time, please kindly subscribe. Be patient to watch the rest of the video. I will still go further to show you all the university community, the new university, how they are improving on infrastructure. Also remember there is another university owned by Catholic Mission, which is located in Onitsha. Work is also going on there. So soon I will visit Shanghai University Onitsha to show you all the progress of work going on there. So relax to watch the full progress of work going on at this very site.